It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into corn. Corn surged to $448.50 per bushel, a move of plus 4.85% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $448 and $453.25. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. The move follows reports that oil is back to pre-war levels. Here's a timeline of how the market weathered a historic supply shock. Business Insider. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the stock market faces an earnings test it may not pass, barons. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil is back to pre-war levels. Here's a timeline of how the market weathered a historic supply shock. Business Insider. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the stock market faces an earnings test it may not pass, barons. Meanwhile, Brent crude is little changed, hovering near $76.17. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as semiconductors sell off, oil prices jump, Yahoo Finance. Meanwhile, WTI crude is trading lower by minus 0.25%, at $71.90. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as semiconductors sell off, oil prices jump, Yahoo Finance. Meanwhile, natural gas dipped minus 1.06% to $2.98. The move follows reports that oil is back to pre-war levels. Here's a timeline of how the market weathered a historic supply shock. Business Insider. Coming back to corn. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on corn. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for corn sits around $475.41. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on weather forecasts and key producing region developments. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our deep dive on corn. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.